right, so instructor Sheena Abernathy, department chair over our science department. Make sure I'm getting all of her title correctly. Yeah, over the science and engineering department, department chair of science and engineering. She's working on a dev shell for a new hybrid version of Biology 1406, working in conjunction with instructional designer Chandra Iwasaki. And I got kind of curious to see what was going on, and so I checked in on the course and asked Sheena if I could share some details with y'all. And so what she is doing is working with the D2L H5P materials that we have access to through Creator Plus within D2L. And so these add some really simple, engaging content options for your students, so it's not just walls of text or 2-hour-long videos. And don't be doing 2-hour-long videos. We know this, right? So she's done it with the evolution, themes of biology, and scientific inquiry. And she goes into some basic introduction, gives us a video intro, moves into a graphics, talking about the fundamental properties of life, talking what order into evolution, adaptation, regulation, reproduction, etc. And so the first H5P tool that she's using here in the course is going to be the accordions. And so what you can do is hide information behind your titles or however you want to call that, a subheader maybe for content. And the student just has to tap on that with the mouse, or if they're on the mobile device, even more conveniently, just tap with the finger, and it gives them more information. They also have the option to close that back up and go to the next one, or if it's more convenient for them, to open all panels. A full accordion effect there. Next H5P tool in use is our fill in the blank tool. I really kind of wonder if we could do Mad Libs with this, but nonetheless, it's exactly what it sounds like. Students can come in and fill in the missing words and then submit, and it will tell them if they're right or wrong within variables and variations of the letters, even of the spelling, I should say. 5 unifying themes here. Sheena used the flip card system. Again, this is great on a mobile device, but works just fine on desktop as well, because all they do is here under organization, click the tile card, it flips over, and it gives them a more explanation or definition depending on what kind of information they needed to be shared. Coming down a little further, this is just pretty basic, just definitions, but what Sheena has done is given them enough information, right? And then if a student needs more information, or if a student's curious and they want to go on that deep dive of information to learn even more, she's given them extra links. I know in my digital video editing class, I give them too many links, and that's for a face-to-face class, and it's on purpose. It's so that they can choose where their deep dive or interest is. And so I really like how Sheena started including this kind of idea of here's more information for those of you that want. And then we've got a kind of a knowledge check right here, just a real quick live knowledge check. The student selects the answer and checks their answer live to let them know if they were right. Moving into more basic, just text and images here, but nothing wrong with that. We want to interrupt some of those engagement activities with actual informational content. And then at the tail end, she does one more final knowledge check with 2 questions. And again, I will probably get it wrong, but we'll see. Oh wait, I'm in instructor mode, so I can't do that. But anyway, this is just an example of what you can do with D2L, Creator Plus, and H5P tools that we currently have available. Big thanks to Sheena for letting me put this on display, and praising her on some excellent work as she works with Chandra on getting this ready for fall.